Welcome guys, today I'm with the Haylou MoriPods and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your MacBook. So first of all, open the case and take them out of this charging case, the left and the right earbud. Right now take a look on the indicators. In the most cases, they will be blink like that automatically. So it means that right now they are visible to other devices. But right now, for some reason, they're stop blinking. So to move them to the pairing mode manually, you have to click and hold these two touch control panels until these indicators start blinking for another time. So click and hold them, and there it is. They are blinking, so they are visible to other devices. Put them close to your MacBook. Do not put them back to the charging case, and open the system settings on your MacBook. Go for the Bluetooth, and then turn on Bluetooth right here and take a look on available devices list. As you can see below, we can find the Haylou MoriPods. So we have to click connect. And when you take a look on the list, we are connected. So the last thing, go right here to the system settings, go for the sound, and be sure that it's automatically switched from the output and the input sound, so we can use our microphone and the earbuds. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.